How to negotiate your salary. Like a pro, step by step. Did you know? Not negotiating your first salary could cost you $1 million plus over your career. Don't leave money on the table. Here's exactly how to get paid what you're worth. Part 1. Research like a detective. Before you ask. 1. Check salary sites for your role's range. 2. Factor in your location. 3. Consider your unique skills. Find the salary band for your position level, e.g. Marketing Manager 2. Part 2. Build your case track revenue. You generated problems you solved. Extra responsibilities. Example. Since joining, I've grown our Instagram following from 10,000 to 100,000 in 6 months, which resulted in a 20% increase in online sales. Based on market data for social media managers at comparable brands, I believe $75,000 reflects this impact. Part 3. The negotiation playbook. Do. Say your number. First, wait 5+ seconds after they respond. Offer alternatives if they say no. Don't. Accept the first offer. Apologize. Compare to coworkers. Part 4. Real-life success story. Use these tips and got a $15,000 raise. Sarah, companies expect you to negotiate. It shows leadership. Follow for more career growth hacks. Comment your industry plus job title. I'll reply with salary data.